Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Guess what? Today I got my Boxycharm, and I think this is the premium box. And if you're interested in seeing which variation and what I got, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I finally got my Boxycharm, and I'm so excited because I have no clue what's gonna be in here. There's so many variations out there. But before we do that, I want to go ahead and do our affirmation cards. And today, this is gratitude. I don't think we've done this box yet because you remember I got a bunch of new boxes and I'm trying to mix it up for you guys. Okay, so this one here, it says cultivate a grateful heart. Okay, and the card that I chose, it says, walk as if you are kissing the earth with your feet. And it's by Thich Nhat Hanh. Walk as if you are kissing the earth with your feet. Wow, that's very unique. You know, I think there's a little bit of a Zen message there, right? I mean, you should be thankful for everything on this earth, including the ground, the grass it grows, and everything else around you. So it's like when your body comes in contact with those beautifully created things, I mean, give it a kiss, I guess, right? So that's very interesting. I don't know what to think about this card. Walk as if you are kissing the earth with your feet. Another thing, I think the other message behind this is that don't walk angry. You know, have you ever noticed that some people just look angry, and when they walk, they carry themselves, they just look angry or they just look unhappy? And I think that's the other piece to this. And what I like about these is there's like nothing in the back. So it's up to your imagination on what you think this is and what you feel it is. So these are great affirmations because it could be so unique, right? And since this is a box of gratitude, I think it does have a lot to do with that. You know, be thankful for what you have and don't go stomping around angry, but instead kiss the ground with your feet, right? Be thankful, be light on your feet, and have a grateful heart. So yeah, this is pretty unique. I like it. Yeah. So anyway, that's that. Just let me know what you think about these cards because I do have the different cards. And like I said, this is from the gratitude box. And so you tell me, you know, which ones you like because I've gotten several of them that I really love and some that are, yeah, they're okay, but you know, they're a little more difficult to get used to. So yeah, that's all good, guys. Okay, so now, Boxycharm, without further ado. And now I will open it. And so let's see, where is the thing here? Okay. I just got this. I mean, like 10 minutes ago, maybe at the most. And I just thought, you know, nobody knocked on a door today. There's no mail. And I opened it. And not only is this, but my Orly, the fall Orly, the nail polish box is here. So I have to do that soon too. So anyway, as we go, we open it like this. And it is a purple one. This is Boxycharm Premium times Norvina Anastasia. This is really different because this is the first time, because this is a premium box. Usually it's blue, right, on the inside. And the base box is red. But being that this is Norvina, this is very interesting. It is purple. It's pretty. Purple is my favorite color. So this actually is a very pretty box. And also, you have to remember this. I think this had a really nice, had a lot of nice stuff in this box. So yeah, let's see. Okay, the card I have is Boxycharm Premium times Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it comes like this, right? And then it actually has, well, does it have all of the products in the back? Let me take a look. The print's so small, you see. But I'll tell you, this box is variation 286. 286, okay? And let's see. Oh, I also have a coupon that says buy one, get one 50% off. And I think anybody can use this. There it is if you guys want to write that down, okay? And let's see. It is actually a whole box of Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, I didn't know that. That's nice. Okay, let's go with the first one. first thing. Okay, let me put this box a little bit down so that way it's not in the camera. Okay, the first item in a box is a brow definer, and I do use her brow definer, so this is great. This is the triangular brow pencil, and here it is. And you guys know I love my brow pencil by Anastasia, but I use the Brow Wiz. And let's see, this one is dark brown, which is perfectly fine. That would definitely work for me. Okay, well, that's one good thing. You know what? I may be able to use everything in this box if it all goes well. So, okay, that same thing, except for this one's a little bit chubbier than mine. I used the Brow Wiz. This is actually the triangular shape one, which is fine. It works just the same. So, let's see what it... I'm sure they're going to give me prices on this, right? So you know what? I haven't been watching any of the videos because I've been so busy with finding a house and everything. So I had no idea it looked like this. Okay, so it's a Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Is an all-in-one triangular tipped retractable pencil to define detail and fill in eyebrows, featuring 3 different size angles. This pencil delivers ultimate application versatility with ease with custom spoolie and blends for a natural looking finish. And it's $23. And it does, I think you guys seen mine before, but I'll just go ahead and show you the spoolie anyway in case you haven't. But that's exactly what I use. I typically only use her products for the brows because she does do her brow things really good. And so here is a triangular tip. Okay. And so this is $23, and I can attest to that. Okay, well, so far so good. Okay, the next thing in the box is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shimmering Body Oil. Okay, and it comes like this. And let's see what it looks like in here. I've been getting a lot of shimmer oils. I don't typically use them, and I don't know if I'm going to keep it. Oh, this one's a little bit more user-friendly. It's a little golden color, you see, instead of the bronzy. The bronzy ones are too dark for me, I think. So I may just give this a go. So let's see what it says. This is the first time. I didn't even know they sold this, okay? Because this is the first time I've ever seen the body bronzer. So let's see what it says about it. Okay, body bronzer. Okay, body oil. It's Shimmer Body Oil by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Is a luxe lightweight body oil that gives skin a shimmering sun-kissed glow. This rich, luxurious formula leaves skin with a touchable, silky, soft feel. It features a delicate coconut vanilla scent, and has a sparkly glitter reflex that eliminates the skin with a golden glow. Shake well prior to use. It retails for $38. So you guys know, I think I'm getting my money's worth this time because you know the base box is $25 and this here premium is $35. Already those two products have definitely paid for the box, and yet the best is yet to come. And so the next thing here is a powder bronzer. Oh, nice. I've been into bronzers lately, guys. After I watched Elenka's bronzer video, I'm like all into it. That's my next obsession. And this is in the color, in the shade Rosewood. Okay, Rosewood. And so, you know what? So far, so good. I'm able to use all of it. The only one that I have questions on is the oil. So, because I don't like things getting on my clothes, and I always think they will. I don't know. If you guys have other experiences, please let me know. Oh, this is a very, very pretty container. I don't know if it's capturing that. I don't think it is. It's got like a shimmer to it. And let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, this is a very, you know what, perfect shade for me, actually. Take a look. I mean, it's coming off a little bit grayish on the camera, I can see from my monitor, but this actually is a little bit more orange toned than what I'm used to, because I like orange tone, but not too strong, and this one I think is perfect. But this one's coming off a little bit with a gray undertone, and that's not right at all. I gotta color correct my camera. So yeah, and let's see. Let me put this color saver back. They have a notch on it, so it goes a certain way. And let me say something about it. And you know what? I'm probably going to use all of this, what's in the box, for you guys. And since, you know, I was doing the shop, my stash, I think maybe I'll do it on this. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see. It says here, Okay, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Powder bronzer by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a finely milled powder that provides a natural looking matte finish with a buildable coverage. This powder bronzer feels weightless on the face and body and blends seamlessly to add warmth for a sun-kissed look. And it retails for $28. Wow. Yeah, this whole box is Anastasia. I like it. I actually didn't know that. Okay. So, I knew there was a couple of products by her. Didn't know the whole thing would be. Oh, this is her lash brag. This is a mascara, a lash brag. I think I actually have this one. The only thing is that it? Yeah, see? Right there. Well, I can open this one and show you. And it's actually very good, mascara. The only thing is it's not waterproof, but it goes on without clumping. And I really do like it. And that's the only reason why I kept this, because I used it a couple of times. I'm like, huh. It's just like my Pat McGrath, which is not waterproof. These are the only two mascaras I like that's not waterproof. Rest of it is waterproof. So yeah, let's see. Take a look. This is in black. Of course, it is a volumizing mascara. Well, I'm not going to open it because I already have that one and I just showed you. So let's see what it says about it. Okay, great maximum lash volume and fullness. You can't stop bragging about with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. The jet black, easy to apply formula instantly creates a dramatic full volume defined lashes, while specially designed hourglass shape wand coats each lash without ever weighing them down. It retails for $25, and it does do those things, and it's actually a good product. Like I said, this is the reason why I chose to keep this one. So, okay, and then the next item is a liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade, whoa, Heathers, but that's bright. Well, I guess, yeah, that's red. So, but that's okay. Let's see. It's liquid lipstick. You know what? I'm going to try it. It's kind of like a brick color, you notice? Okay, hold on. Let me hold it this way so you can see the name. And I do like this shade. And being that I have never used her lipstick, liquid lipstick, or any over lipstick actually, I'm going to go ahead and give it a try, see how much I like it, since it came in a box anyway. Wow, so far so good. And let's talk about the lipstick. Liquid lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a full pigmented liquid formula that dries down to a weightless matte finish for smudge-proof wearability and long-lasting color. The comfortable formula delivers full coverage wear that creates the appearance of fuller lips and lasts all day long, and it retails for $20. That's fair. Okay, yep, that's fair. And then the last thing in my box, of course, is going to be, I think everybody knows about this one, is the palette. And you guys know I ordered an extra one, and I think I showed you from my add-on just in case it doesn't get here or it comes broken. So, okay. And this one's wrapped really well. I'd be surprised if it did break. And here it is. So, yeah, now I have two of these. So, one will go into the giveaway for my 1,000 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway. So, yeah, be on the lookout for that once I get 1,000. And right now I'm sitting at 725, and I can't seem to budge from there, guys. So I'm hoping that it starts to move soon, because I really wanted to reach my 1,000 Beautiful Wildflowers before my year was up, which will be September 1st. So, yep. But if not, that's okay, guys. It's all good. It'll come sooner or later. So, yep. And here it is. And this actually, you might want to read. These are all of the shades in the palette. Let me hold it up for you where you can see it. Shades in a palette that are not safe for your eyes. And so this gives you that information, and they have to supply it either on the palette or on a piece of paper like this, and it comes in each box. And here it is. This thing comes with a huge mirror. Okay, good. Comes with a huge mirror, as you can see. And here are the shades. I'm going to go ahead and move that for now so you guys can see the shades. This is probably not the first time you've seen this, but there it is. This is so beautiful. And this is a purple-based palette, even though it has all the other different colors. And I have not used the other one just in case. And I'm going to go ahead and do a look for you using all of these upcoming here soon. I'm going to say within the next week, so that way you can see what all of that's in the box that I used, including the lipstick. So, yeah. And let me know what you think. So, yeah, that's that. And I think that's it. So, everything I got the palette in purple. And I was hoping that's what I ordered it in, because I ordered the extra ones, one purple and one the orangey color scheme. So yeah. So I got the palette. Let me just move all this around. I want to close it nicely because it's going to go to a giveaway. And then I got the liquid lipstick. And I got the bronzer. It's not a brow wiz, but brow definer. The Lash Brag mascara. And finally, this shimmer body oil. But you know what? I didn't read to you what the eyeshadow palette says. So let me do that, okay? So it says here, palette volume number 1, carefully curated by Norvina herself. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment palette number 1 is a professional grade artistry palette featuring 25 deluxe size high performing shades with maximum payoff. Expand your Norvina collection with this limited edition pro palette and create your most artistic makeup looks yet. And so there are asterisks that it says are not intended to use around the eye area, immediate eye area. And that's shades A2, A3, A5, B1, B3, B4, B5, C4, C5, D2, D3, D4, D5, E1, E2, E4, and E5. So that's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 shades out of the 25 you should not use near your immediate area because, excuse me, because they are pigments, okay? So that's that, my beautiful wildflowers. Well, tell me what you think. I mean, I really like it. I wish they would give me more boxes like this because I can use everything in here. So I'm really excited about it. So let me know what you got. If we're box twins, tell me that too. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please do consider subscribing and ringing that bell button so that way you know every time I upload a new video. So my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But it doesn't matter. Just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.